Hey everyone, this lecture is about how we can create the WBS and assign the piping in that WBS. WBS means work breakdown structure. This WBS is used for creating the complex project in simple part. I will show in this video how we can assign the WBS as well as how to assign the piping parts or piping section in WBS. First we will create one WBS project under the SP3D train. So for that we have to click on this tasks and choose the piping tasks. So I am already in the piping tasks. Then in your workspace explorer, if WBS not visible, then you have to click on this tools option and click on the option, and here WBS is there. We have to right click here and click on the apply and click on the OK. Then WBS will be visible here. So go to this WBS option in workspace explorer. Then we have to click on the all and we have to select our earlier project, right click there, and here one option is there, create WBS project. Click on that. Then we have to give the name for this WBS project. So I will give the random name piping. You can give your any name and click on the apply, and here WBS is created successfully. Click on the OK. Then I will add sheet 1 and sheet 2 under this, and I will break from this planes to this elbow in one sheet and from this elbow to this T in another sheet. Again we have to remain in all, and again click on our new pipe in WBS, right click there, and once again we have to click on create WBS atom. Now the options are different. Here we have to select WBS type. So WBS type I will select group, and in WBS purpose we have, if you want to extract the isometric according to WBS, then we have to select this ISO drawing, and then no need to change anything. You can give the sheet 1, you can give any name whatever you want, sheet 1 and sheet 2 for your better understanding. Okay, so here we will click on this plus icon. The sheet 1 is created. Once again I will create another sheet. Once again go to the WBS, create WBS, and here we have to select this group, and in WBS purpose we have to select ISO drawing, and I will give this time sheet 2. Click on the apply, click on the OK. Okay, click on the cancel. Here you find sheet 1 and sheet 2 created. Now we will add piping in this sheet 1 as well as sheet 2. We will show how we can add. For that we have to click on the tasks and go to the piping. So I am already in the piping task. So here the icon is visible. We have to click on these piping parts, and now we have to select how many parts, means from this planes to this elbow. I will select this all piping. I will assign this piping to this sheet 1. Let's see how I can do. So now after clicking on the piping parts, we have to select the piping parts. I will click on this elbow, then click the shift button and select this elbow. So here the whole piping selected, whatever I require. So now we have to select here the piping, and here we have to select this piping WBS from this project. So this is the project icon. Maximize this, click on the more, just maximize this, click on the sheet 1, click on the OK. Okay, so keep this in mind. We have to always select our project, WBS project. Okay, now so I select this from planes to this elbow. Now we have to go to the project, and first we have to claim this piping part. So click on the claim, just wait to complete this. Okay, so here coming claim completed. Click here the close option. So here the claim is completed, but we don't want this part. After claim completed, we have to again click on this first planes to this elbow. We select this, and then now this time we have to go to the project, and here assign to WBS we have to click on that. Okay, first step is claim, then second step is assign to WBS. Okay, keep this in mind. So I will click now to the assign WBS. Now we have to select our sheet, in which sheet you want to proceed. Okay, so this is my sheet 1 I already created. Click on the OK. Now you can click here, and now let's see this part is assigned or not. For that, we have to click on this all and select our sheet 1. Then right click there and click on the select nested. Okay, here you find the parts are in that sheet 1. Now I will assign from this to this elbow in sheet 2. We have to repeat this step again. So now we will convert this piping to sheet 2. So again we have to repeat our step. We have to go to the piping parts, select first item, then click on the shift, select this P. So here this portion we have to we will shift in sheet 2. Now we have to click on this project and click on the claim. Okay, so claim is completed. Close that. Again select your required portion. So I select this, go to the project, assign to WBS, and now this time I will shift these parts in sheet 2. Click on the OK. Let's see the selected parts here is appeared in sheet 2 or not. For that we have to go to the all, again click on the sheet 2, and we have to click on this select nested option. Okay, so select nested. Okay, so our required piping is goes under the sheet 2. That's fine. Okay, so in this way you can create your WBS project and assign the piping in WBS. I hope this lecture will be helpful for those who want to learn SmartPlant 3D. I already uploaded 46 lecture under this training series. You can also visit that, and if you want any specific video you will comment to my channel. I will see that comment and make the video whatever you want. So thank you guys.